Evangelist Raman Gbadamosi. I'm the chairman of Parochial Committee of Celestial Church of Christ, Ileri-Oluwa Parish. Since this church is a defined church, since we have a new shepherd, we have a new improvement in this church, and spiritually we are growing faster, and there's progress in every dimension, in all the corners. As we could notice, before the harvest, you will see the harvest moon. When we were preparing for the harvest, last year harvest was great, but this one was even greater, was even better. And I believe we will continue to improve on all our weaknesses. Celestial Church of Christ is improving, and now I believe what our fathers have said, that this church is going to cleanse the world. As you could see, our youth are taking over now, and if we could build our interest on what is going on right now, you will see that the God will do wonders, will do more wonders. And I believe we can do better than this, and the improvement will be more greater if we follow the dimension that is laid down by our shepherding church now. So I am very delighted to say this today and now.